मेरा नाम है उमर कुरैशी। मेरे साथ दो बहुत ही वाहियात लोग बैठे हैं, बहुत वाहियात बातें होने वाली हैं। मैं बैठा हूँ रितेश देशमुख और तुषार कपूर के साथ, जो आ रहे हैं क्या सुपर कूल है। वेलकम गाइस।
बड़ा है बेहतर है, बड़ा है बेहतर है।
That's the bottom line. Be vulgar.
रियल देखना तो पिक्चर में आके देखो।
Live life king size.
So tell me, क्या कूल है हम रिलीज हुई थी
जी।
many years ago. There were a lot of protests. How can a movie be so bad, so crass, so crude? हाँ, इतनी वल्गैरिटी कैसे दिखा सकते हैं? Corrupting the morality of the public. हाँ, यंगस्टर्स के दिमाग आप सड़ा रहे हो. You come back with a sequel.
इस सोसाइटी में सभी लोग साधु होते हैं तो हम लोग रामायण बनाते।
Yeah, okay.
तो हम लोग क्या कूल बना रहे हैं?
We are the pioneers in this genre.
Okay.
Kyakul was a pioneer in this genre of naughty comedies, sex comedies to be more precise. And we like to take, we are the flag bearers, Ritesh and myself. So we like to take the series forward because the audience gave it a thumbs up. 7 सालों तक एक अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट की तलाश थी हमें, जो हमें 2011 में मिली, इसलिए हम ये फिल्म 2012 में लेकर आ रहे हैं.
You said flag, you were the flag bearers. You kept the flags flying high for 7 years.
They tried. बहुत सारे imitations थी, लेकिन वो खरी नहीं उतर पाई. Only Amir Khan could, make a Delhi belly.
Okay.
And he did it beautifully. उसके अलावा आई थिंक हम ही हैं जो इस मैदान में उतरे हुए हैं वापस 2012 में. आई थिंक टुडे द ऑडियंस इज मोर मैच्योर. जो उस ज़माने में लोग वल्गर मानते थे, शायद आज उन्हें मतलब ओपननेस, प्रोग्रेसिवनेस नज़र आएगा. इट्स अ प्रोग्रेशन इनटू अ मोर मीनिंगफुल एंड मोर कूल सोसाइटी, सुपर कूल सोसाइटी.
बट व्हाट इज द स्टेप अप फ्रॉम क्या कूल है हम टू क्या सुपर कूल है हम? व्हाट मेक्स दिस मूवी सुपर? इसमें एडिशनल क्या है?
आजकल यूथ का अगर पल्स है तो या तो आप सर्वे में देखते हैं या फिर यू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द काइंड ऑफ SMS जोक्स दैट यू शेयर. दैट्स द वन थिंग दैट यू शेयर विद फ्रेंड्स. और मुझे लगता है कि सबसे ज़्यादा हम लोग अगर फॉरवर्ड करते हैं तो ऑल द नॉटी जोक्स, बिकॉज दैट गेट्स द मैक्सिमम रिएक्शन, मैक्सिमम लाफ्टर. कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, किस तरह का ह्यूमर वुड टिटिलेट द माइंड्स, द हेड्स. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कीप ऑल दैट इन माइंड and cater to them.
It's amalgamated into the script really well. Everything has gotten bigger and better.
Size matters.
Size matters, but the film is
बड़ा है,
crisper.
बेहतर है.
Size matters, but its crispness is also important. So it's crisper. This time. I'm demonstrating. फिल्मों की रील्स के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
We are responsible for what we say, not for what you understand.
ऐसी पिक्चर से लोग क्या घर लेके जाएंगे? What is the education in what field? Biology?
Probably how to live life super coolly.
Okay.
How to not be tight-assed. That's the bottom line. But
We'll lose us.
yeah, literally, I mean.
Okay, sagging, not sagging, right?
Yeah. But more importantly, I think जैसे कि हमारे characters जो है वो काफी emotional है. Seriously, our characters are very emotional. He's emotionally in love with Sarah. I'm emotionally in love with Neha. And we would do anything to bring them into our life.
Not many people would go on beach and wear John Abraham trunks and
do that for the woman also.
Do that for the woman.
That's the innocence of it, that he's not realizing कि आप क्या सोच रहे हैं उसके बारे में, पुलिस क्या सोच रही है, पुलिस आके उसको पकड़ने जाती है, लेकिन वो मतलब बस अपने प्यार को हासिल करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. So maybe that honesty might come through. In fact, it is something that I have to tell you that Suraj Barjate, I think he is the pioneer of clean vegetarian family dramas. उन्होंने क्या कूल है हम देखिए, और उन्होंने बोला कि मुझे I believe the film worked because of its emotional content. So there's something that somebody can take away from naughty comedies also.
Yeah. Comedies take something out of you.
Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Absolutely, always.
Take something out of you.
हल्का हो जाता है.
हल्का हो
मन,
जाता है.
दिल.
एकदम मन हल्का हो जाता है. What's the significance of the nariyal, of the coconut?
It's Goa, man. Let's party. That's the significance. Live life.
It says na real. Real देखना तो पिक्चर में आके देखो.
Live life king size.
King size.
Yeah.
What inspired you? You worked out your butt a lot for that trunk sequence?
No, I didn't work on my butt. I worked out my body, and I think the butt was a byproduct of that. Butt gets worked out. The script demanded it, as we all say.
But I'll tell you one thing. Hats off, hats off, because बहुत दम चाहिए ऐसा करने के लिए. John और आप, मैं तो जिंदगी में कभी ना करूँ.
Why wouldn't you do it?
Never say never, my friend.
पता चला अगले पिक्चर में चढ़ेंगे.
गाने में क्या किया था? गाने में.
But tell me, are you pushing the envelope because nowadays, like you said, the audiences are more open to the adult humor. They are more exposed to international television and international movies. Is that because of that you're pushing the envelope and saying let's push it? देखो कहाँ तक जाता है.
मुझे लगता है कि आज मल्टीप्लेक्स का ज़माना आ चुका है. इतने सारे लोग इतनी सारी फिल्में देख रहे हैं. They are more open because of television. A lot of stuff is seen on television. I think there's a larger bank of people who would subscribe to this kind of humor, this kind of film, I feel.
Is it deliberate that because the first one was a hit, you know, so is that all that matters? That, chalo, doesn't matter if it ruffles a few feathers. Chalo, first movie was a hit, let's push the envelope, make it a bigger hit.
I think sequel तभी बनता है जब when your first film has done well. Rarely do you have a film with the first film not done well and you take an attempt on the second film. Kya Kulum is the only naughty genre film that I've done. A part of Masti here and there, fine, but absolutely out and naughty films.
It's cool stuff, actually.
It's
youth.
It's youth, and we felt that if you're going to make it, let's make it in a language that today's people understand and they even talk. So there are a lot of references to, say, films that have worked well today. There are a lot of references to dialogues.
There's a friend of ours, Mushtaq, he's a common friend. I remember him telling, when are you going to make Kya Cool Hai Humka sequel? The opening is going to be vulgar. It'll be vulgar. So that, I think, rung a bell. Something, what are we doing? You know, we're waiting. Let's get our asses moving and start making a script.
Tushar, Ekta has always pushed the envelope with movies like Dirty Picture, LSD, Shore in the City. So do you think that Kya Cool Hai Hum was ahead of its time when it released?
I think when she came into film, she made up her mind that I'm going to break barriers and I'm going to break this image that I have, and I can make a good film that's different and that's youthful, that's contemporary, that's cool. So I think Kya Cool was a result of that. And she's followed up with LSD and Once Upon a Time.
What makes cool super cool?
Apart from the word super, I think in every aspect you need to take a step ahead, rather a jump ahead. So be it the music, in reference to a film, be it music, be it the kind of humor, be it situations need to be new. That's what we are attempting to do. Let's see how successful we are. I get wet in the film. I don't believe I actually do.
I let myself go. I mean, let myself go in the director's hands. Whenever I come on set.
Both your heroines are new girls, Sarah Jane Dias and Neha. You know, how is it working with complete newcomers?
The best part is that newcomers have no tantrums.
Yeah.
They don't give you date problems.
He's looking at me.
You know, newcomers need some hand-holding, need some guidance, some advice. Did you help them, both of you?
Well, she didn't let me hold her hand. That's why I had to come out of the beach. So at least get a hand to hold. They both have a mind of their own. I mean, both Sarah and Neha, Sarah especially has, I think, is more confident than me also. She's like been a model. She's faced the camera for years. She's been Miss India. Neha also has done a film and I mean, itni tareef matlab kafi hai.
बहुत ज़्यादा
hai.
The All India distribution rights of the movie have already gone for, I think, 21 plus.
Yes.
That's what they're saying. And you saying it's because of your yellow trunks?
I never said it. It was a tongue-in-cheek statement that...
whose tongue and whose cheek?
And which cheek?
It was my tongue and all the money that came.
I don't believe I actually do.
You didn't have to work out at all for this movie.
He did.
For
There's a surprise scene of his also in the film where he's spraying water on himself and he's trying to get a lift that way. He's like
trying to get a lift.
I get wet in the film to get picked up by a passing car.
That kind of lift. Okay.
Don't ask us how wet now.
Yeah. And you worked out like very religiously, right?
Don't ask us where he's doing.
You worked out religiously.
Yeah, I worked out religiously. I starved also religiously for one sequence. I am continuing with that diet because I don't want to let go of my fitness. So it's good. I mean, sometimes you have to
He wasn't some
I pushed the envelope. I pushed the envelope also.
No salt, no water, no food.
For a few days only, less water for a few days. But it's okay. It's all's fair in love and war.
Doesn't that shrink you a little bit? Like
it does reduce your water retention, so it makes you...
No salt, no water shrinks you.
Shrinks you, it makes you very tight, tight-assed.
But then what happened? You let yourself go?
I let myself go. I mean, I let myself go in the director's hands. Whenever I come on set. Now see, जो मैं कह रहा हूँ वो बहुत innocently कह रहा हूँ. अभी इनके नापाक दिमाग का मैं क्या करूँ? आपके और इनके.
No, बिल्कुल नहीं. We understand that. You know, it's a creative thing.
A director is completely cracked. Only these things can come through his weird head and these situations of
it all
a
comes
guy thinking.
He actually threw a fit because they weren't yellow trunks. They were blue trunks. And my designer couldn't get yellow trunks. They were not available or something. So my director actually almost had a migraine because he said, no, we have to, if we're doing a spoof, it has to be exactly that way.
which is true.
Which is true.
Yeah.
Which I agree with him. So then later, uske
Yeah.
वजह से special effects का budget बढ़ गए.
Yeah. Interestingly, you're doing Dostana too, is it?
I'm not actually. I don't know. I think some papers carried Dostana and it all came about. I was never supposed to do or whatever.
You're not supposed to. You're not going to be part of that one.
I'm not offered also.
Not auditioning for that. No, with
No, not at all.
yeah. With Houseful 2, you gone into the 100 crore plus bracket. You're in a happy place right now, career-wise.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
this year, after Tere Naal, Houseful, let's see what happens with Kya Cool. So this has been really great for me.
Shirt the Button, everyone's talking about that song. You know, so is there any more stuff coming up like that in the movie, which we should be prepared for the audience?
So that song is it's a very romantic song.
Yeah.
It's very conventional, soulful. In fact, when we are traveling in the north, that song has worked more than Dil Garden Garden also.
People are loving Shirt the Button and Aankhon ka liner and Baalon ka.
But like the movie has a lot of content, you know. You want to give us a few examples of what they should be prepared for?
Prepared for. Okay.
Depends कि वो
कि आप लड़की में सबसे पहले क्या देखते हो? वो तो डिपेंड करता है ना कि लड़की आ रही है कि जा रही है.
Ritesh, you've composed a Marathi song and sung it in the movie?
Not in the movie actually.
Yeah.
We had this Hum Hai Cappuccino, the UP Bihar song.
yeah.
There were 4 lines that
The Marathi
was sung by
yeah.
me in Marathi. So then the music director Meet Brothers said, why don't you just rehash the entire song with the same beat, same arrangement, we'll just put in Marathi lines.
Yeah.
So he said, let's get someone who can write Marathi. I said, let me come back tomorrow, I'll write few lines and we'll just check how it works.
Yeah.
So I wrote that entire Marathi version and hopefully...
You want to hum a few lines?
दिल वाल्यांच्या प्रेमाचा इंगा दाखवतो तू हो मन तुझ्यावर महाराष्ट्र लुटवतो आयुष्यात घेऊन जरा रिक्स माझ्या हार्ट मध्ये तू फिक्स मराठी इंग्लिश मिक्स करू ऐक ग रे. So I've also used like you know things like अजंताची तू कंट्रक्शन माधुरीची अट्रॅक्शन
Okay.
तुझ्याच मतानी मी जिंकेन प्रेमाचे हे इलेक्शन.
Nice.
So,
And you've composed, you've written those.
No, I've written the lyrics, of course.
Yeah. Tell me, in the movie also there were some references to the surnames of some heroines which they got offended by. Like Nargis
They
Pakri
don't
and,
even know about it, I think.
Yeah.
Now this.
Dying to know their reaction when they see that scene.
Yeah,
Okay.
Diana Penty.
Yeah?
She knew about it and she was a little upset.
Oh, really?
Oh,
yeah.
so sad. Sorry.
She said, I read about this and it was deleted. Is that true? I think you should apologize on national television too.
Diana, I'm
We
very
didn't mean
extremely
it
sorry.
in the way you're thinking we meant it. But
Of course you
you
meant
got
it
a great
in-
debut. I think you should be celebrating. Don't think about it.
And Nargis.
I'm sorry, Nargis.
You're a rock
I'm-
star. You're a rock star.
You're a rock star.
Is it true that Ekta wanted these references to actresses removed and the director
She was a little
wanted-
skeptical,
yeah,
but Sachin convinced her.
convinced
He
her.
convinced her that, you know, this guy is so innocent.
Yeah.
He's just like praising his girlfriend's name,
Yeah.
Simran, as being one that would be from a Yash Chopra film or something.
Yeah.
You know, Simran is a very Yash Raj name for a heroine.
Yeah.
So he's just comparing that to the names of heroines that are today, which can be heard differently. That's it. So it's not making fun of anyone. He's just flaunting his girlfriend's name. Yeah. Right है तो फाड़ दो.
बहुत गांडा लड़का है. नहीं बस अभी इस इंटरव्यू में इससे ज़्यादा मैं
Before we end.
नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
Is it true there's a dog in the movie, a pug, with an interesting role, interesting name? What's...
Pakru.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what does he do?
He does
Okay.
a lot of things. In short, he's the wiki donor of a film.
But he makes a direct deposit.
Yeah, you can call him pricky donor also.
Maybe he's that lesson. Maybe he's that lesson that we are saying that will.
उसने इतनी सारी लोगों की गोद भर दी है. You know,
Yeah.
कि औलाद की खुशी क्या होती है वो इस कुत्ते ने
Get a
बहुत
lot
सारे
of blessings.
lot
Lot
of
of blessings.
seriously.
Yeah.
लोग दुआएं मांगते हैं.
Yeah. कि हमारी गोद भर दो.
गोद भर दो. My doggy.
Ritesh, you actually said I'm embarrassed by some of the stuff I've done for this
Yes.
movie. Are you still embarrassed?
I'm a lot of the stuff that a dog has done.
See, it's a dog.
It's a dog.
Kutta kahin ka. You and Ekta have both said, both of you actually have said with Ekta that if the worse the reviews you get for this movie, the more you will flaunt it.
We got a 3.5 stars by Times of India. Yes. We did.
इतना emotional तो मैं
And thank God I'm here. I'm saying it in Zoom, so I'm allowed to take the name of the paper also. We got a 3.5 stars. Sunday morning I was
तुमने ही इस Times of India आपने इस फिल्म की कदर जानी.
Yes.
You know the pulse of India.
Absolutely.
That's why you're
God
Times
bless.
of India. ये तो कट नहीं करोगे. मैं जानता हूँ.
Are you guys also aiming for the 100 crore club with this one as well? Because
100 crore का अगर touch करेगी ना तो I think I'll get a heart attack, which will be a pleasant shock for me.
Yeah, there is a huge market for these kind of movies.
No, I also feel that you have to really smartly attempt this genre. That's what I feel. How smart are we in this attempt? We'll only know once the film releases and how people view it.
I'm going to ask you a few questions. What do you think of when I say the following? What do you think of when I say Teri Shodda button?
अगर बंद है तो खोल दो.
What do you think?
Tight है तो फाड़ दो.
You're killing it today. Well done, boy. I'm proud of you.
Okay, what do you think of when I say John Abraham and Yellow Trunks?
Icon.
बहुत गांडा लड़का है.
What do you think of when I play the song for you? Bryan Adams, I Want to Be Your Underwear.
I would remix this in Hindi. मैं तेरी चड्डी बनना चाहता हूँ.
I think that will be the sequel to Shirt the Button. तेरी underwear नहीं.
Yeah.
किसका underwear होगा? Shirt का button होता है. Underwear किसका होता है?
तेरी लंगोट का नाड़ा types.
Yeah, something like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Coconut water.
ठंडक, प्यास को बुझाना.
Depends which coconuts.
And water retention कम करना.
Water
Coconut also, I think, reduces water
Very
retention.
healthy.
Yeah, very healthy.
दिन में 2 बार पीना चाहिए. It's
Yeah.
good for health.
दो एक साथ.
Of course.
It's good for the health.
Yeah, of course it is.
Use a straw.
और फिर बाद में काट के you can have
काटो
मलाई भी
काटो मत.
मलाई भी खाना.
काटो.
सिर्फ मलाई खाना. अच्छा. स्कूप से मलाई निकाल.
Okay. I'm going to show you some stuff now.
नहीं बस अभी इस इंटरव्यू में इससे ज़्यादा मैं
Before we end,
नहीं कर पाऊंगा. जाने से पहले देखना पड़ेगा.
super cool heroes, I've got something for you right here.
अच्छा.
What comes to mind when you think of the following stuff?
Okay.
Handcuffs.
Basic instinct.
Just get tied down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whip.
अब कौन किसके मारेगा पता नहीं इससे.
Chocolate.
Melt it.
And
Lick it. झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा.
yeah, fishnet stockings.
टाइट है तो फाड़ दो ऐसे दर earlier ना.
Yeah, you said that. And bananas.
Competition.
Yeah.
I give this to oh God. क्योंकि इससे अच्छा जवाब मुझे बनाना नहीं आता.
Thank you guys. Looking
Thank
forward.
you.
I'm going to give you a bar of chocolate. You can melt it. You can lick it. Or you can eat it, whatever.
वाह.
Thank you, Tushar. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Vivan. Follow the Zoom TV channel on Daily Motion and zoom into fresh Bollywood news and entertainment. Just visit www.dailymotion.com/zoomtv.